arrives as a gentle reminder that spring is in full bloom, bringing with it warmth, renewal, and the simple joy of nature's beauty. In this video, we explore how to create a charming rustic May Day decor style that captures the essence of a fresh farmhouse feel. With natural textures, soft colors, and vintage-inspired touches, you can transform your home into a cozy seasonal retreat that feels both inviting and timeless. At its heart, May Day celebrates new beginnings, blooming flowers, and the beauty of the countryside. Rustic decor naturally complements this theme by focusing on organic materials and lived-in charm. Think weathered wood, linen fabrics, and handcrafted details that evoke a sense of simplicity. By embracing these elements, your space becomes a reflection of spring's gentle awakening and the relaxed comfort of farmhouse living. Start your decorating journey by selecting a color palette inspired by nature. Soft pastels like blush pink, sage green, buttercream yellow, and pale lavender set a calming tone. These hues pair beautifully with neutral shades like cream, beige, and light gray. The goal is to create a soothing environment that mirrors blooming gardens and sunlit fields, giving your home a fresh and airy farmhouse atmosphere. Rustic decor thrives on authenticity, and natural materials are key to achieving that look. Wooden crates, wicker baskets, and ceramic pottery add depth and texture to your space. Consider layering these materials throughout your home, from tabletops to shelves. The imperfect finishes and earthy tones help create a warm, grounded feeling that perfectly aligns with the spirit of May Day. Flowers are essential for May Day decor, symbolizing life and renewal. Arrange fresh blooms like daisies, tulips, and wildflowers in vintage pitchers or mason jars. If fresh flowers aren't available, high-quality faux florals can achieve the same effect. Scatter these arrangements throughout your home to bring color, fragrance, and a touch of nature indoors. Your entryway sets the tone for your entire home. Welcome guests with a charming display featuring a wooden bench, a woven basket filled with flowers, and a soft throw blanket. Add a simple wreath made of greenery or blossoms to your door. This inviting setup instantly captures the essence of farmhouse charm and seasonal warmth. Transform your dining table into a rustic centerpiece by layering textures and natural elements. Use a linen table runner, wooden chargers, and simple ceramic dishes. Add a floral centerpiece in a distressed container, and incorporate small decorative touches like twine-wrapped napkins or tiny bouquets. This setup creates a relaxed yet elegant setting perfect for spring gatherings. Vintage pieces bring character and history into your decor. Look for antique frames, old books, or galvanized metal containers to enhance your rustic theme. These items add a sense of nostalgia and authenticity, making your space feel curated and meaningful. Mixing old and new elements creates a balanced and visually interesting farmhouse aesthetic. Soft textiles play a crucial role in achieving a cozy farmhouse feel. Incorporate light throws, linen curtains, and patterned cushions in your chosen color palette. Layering different fabrics adds dimension and comfort, making your home feel welcoming and lived in. Opt for natural fibers to maintain the rustic charm and seasonal freshness. Handcrafted decor adds a personal and heartfelt element to your space. Consider DIY projects like painted mason jars, hand-tied floral bundles, or simple wooden signs with spring quotes. These small details make your decor unique and meaningful, reflecting the care and creativity behind your May Day styling. One of the key elements of rustic May Day decor is the seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Open your windows to let in fresh air and natural light. Incorporate potted plants, herbs, or small trees to enhance the organic feel. This approach creates a refreshing environment that celebrates the beauty of the season. Shelves and mantels are perfect places to showcase your rustic decor. Arrange a mix of greenery, candles, and vintage items to create a balanced display. Use varying heights and textures to add visual interest. Keeping the arrangement simple and uncluttered ensures that each piece stands out while maintaining a cohesive farmhouse look. Incorporate subtle May Day elements like floral garlands, mini wreaths, or decorative bird accents. These small touches enhance the seasonal theme without overwhelming your space. The goal is to create a gentle nod to spring that feels natural and effortless rather than overly themed. Design a cozy nook where you can relax and enjoy the season. A comfortable chair, a soft throw, and a small side table with a floral arrangement can transform any corner into a peaceful retreat. This space becomes a perfect spot for reading, sipping tea, or simply soaking in the beauty of your surroundings. Lighting plays a vital role in setting the mood. Use soft, warm lighting through candles, string lights, or vintage-style lamps. These elements create a gentle glow that enhances the cozy farmhouse atmosphere. In the evening, this lighting transforms your home into a tranquil and inviting sanctuary. Rustic decor is all about simplicity and balance. Avoid overcrowding your space with too many items. Instead, focus on a few well-chosen pieces that complement each other. This approach allows the natural beauty of each element to shine, creating a harmonious and calming environment. Take this opportunity to declutter and refresh your home for the new season. Swap out heavier winter decor for lighter, brighter elements. Clean surfaces, open spaces, and thoughtful arrangements contribute to a fresh farmhouse feel that aligns perfectly with the spirit of May Day. Charming rustic May Day decor is all about celebrating spring with warmth, simplicity, and natural beauty. By incorporating soft colors, organic materials, and vintage-inspired accents, you can create a home that feels both fresh and inviting. Let this season inspire you to embrace the joy of renewal and transform your space into a cozy farmhouse haven filled with charm and tranquility.